From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
What is the gradient of the line 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals 0? You want to recall the formula for equation of a line passing through a single point. It is written as equation of a line passing through a single point is simply y equals mx plus c. And now we are given the equation to be this. What we simply do is to rewrite this in this format and find what m is. M is the gradient, c is the intercept, the y-intercept. So if we rearrange, we'll have 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals 0. So if I take this 5 out to the right hand side, I'll have 7x plus 3 equals to 5y. So I can divide through by 5. And so I have 7 over 5x plus 3 over 5 equals y. Since it's in this format, my m is simply 7 over 5 and my c is 3 over 5. But we are only interested in the gradient, which is 7 over 5. That's A.